How to fix contact names not showing on Android. This tutorial shows you how to resolve the issue of contacts displaying as numbers instead of names on your device. First, open the Contacts app on your Android device and check if your contacts are actually saved. Sometimes the issue is simply that the contacts aren't stored on the device at all. After that, if your contacts are there but names still aren't showing up in calls or messages, open your phone app, tap the three dots at the top right, and make sure your contacts are set to display from the right account. From there, go to your home screen, long press the Contacts app icon, and tap App Info. At this point, tap on Storage, then tap Clear Cache first, and then tap Clear Data right after. Keep in mind that clearing data will reset the app, so you may need to sign back in. In the next step, reopen the Contacts app and check if the names are now showing up correctly. Following this, if the problem is still there, long press the Contacts app icon again, tap App Info, and tap Force Stop before reopening it. From here, if names are still not showing, restart your device by pressing and holding the power button until the power menu appears and tapping Restart. Finally, once your device boots back up, open the Contacts app and check if the issue has been resolved. And that's it! If this guide helped you fix contact names not showing on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.